Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today, in this topic, we're going to fix the Windows Security Center service if it is turned off or missing on your Windows 10 or 11. For this method, we're going to be using one website that has the information and a DLL, that has the DLL file and the CMD codes that we're going to use. So first, for step 1, we're going to go into victorexplainsinfos.blogspot.com. So the link is victorinfos.blogspot.com. So once we're here, we can proceed to step 2, which is to type in fix Windows security, like so. Then it will take us to the to the link here. Now what we're going to do for step 3 is click on the first page, first one right here, like that. Then scroll down and we're going to download the DLL. So there's two types. There's one for 64-bit Windows and 32-bit Windows. So for me, I'm using the 64-bit Windows, so I'm gonna click there, and it will take me to a link, and it will be downloaded. So once it's installed, you will find a DLL file, like so, the installation file. You will find one DLL file that will open up the registration entry, and you can open it up and it will take you into the regedit installation, and you can just install the DLL file. Then next, there will be a note file that will have the commands for CMD. So these are the commands for CMD within the file, and what you can do is you can open up CMD, run it as administrator, copy and paste these codes, and then click enter, then restart your PC. And there you have it. Here's the fix to your Windows Security Center service, whether it's turned off or missing in your Windows 11 or 10. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and may your USB device and may your Security Center service be always working seamlessly.